Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be talking about all those must-haves that you need for your Goa vacation. These are the things like I've collected over years. It's been like 4 to 5 trips to my Goa, and these are the must-haves in your list if you're traveling to Goa or planning for Goa. On number 1 we have the sunscreen, and if you're traveling to Goa, the SPF of the cream must be over 40. So it's better, like for Delhi you can have SPF 20 or something, but Goa ke liye you need SPF 40 se above. This is a spray, like if you're lazy like me, you can always do this and then you're good to go. And this is like super nice, and I'll keep a description link just in case if you want to order. And the second thing that you require are these hats. क्योंकि आप दोपहर में बीच के टाइम पे you need these hats for sitting near the beach or traveling to any of the places in South or North Goa. And these are for girls. Like you get in so many flea markets over there in Kolba Kinara, Anjuna Beach or anything. These are approximately within 100 to 150. And for men also we have these kind of things. You can get it from Amazon as well. This I got it from Amazon. These two are from Goa itself. Then number 3 we have these flip-flops, which are like must-haves in your like if you're traveling. Shoes won't work over there क्योंकि सारी मिट्टी आपकी shoes में आ जाएगी. And you can carry some fancy slippers also, which are waterproof. Like इससे पानी नहीं जाएगा. So you can for your if you're going to like in clubbing or any of the places that is near the beach or any of the restaurants or roaming in the churches, you need like these slippers. Number 4 we have these waist bags. You can just carry it like this. This I got it from Shein, which was around 500 I suppose. So iska I've also found it on Amazon as well. You'll be able to get. This is super nice. You can carry your things and put it over here, and your hands will be free. Like आपको ज़्यादा चीज़ें carry नहीं करनी पड़ती है, and you can enjoy it like if you're using this thing. And the सबसे important चीज़, like all of us need to carry during any of our vacations, are these sunglasses. These shades, you can wear it like as per your color and everything. I got these two. I have like one more. I will wear it right now. So do carry it, and the pictures also look very nice if you're using these. And it protects your eyes because all day long in the beach and everything. During scooties also, if you're traveling by scooty or any of the places, you need to have this. Next we have is wet wipes, because गोवा की जो हवा होती है उसमें भी sand है. Like ऐसी परत जम जाती है. Here in Goa right now your hair is all dried and everything, so do carry wet wipes like for any of your cases, so that it gives you relief. And don't carry so much of makeup on your face because eventually it will fade away. And during COVID do carry what do you call this, sanitizer, and it should have this lock kind of a thing in your bag because sanitizer is something that needs to be handy. So make sure you're putting it in your bag so that you don't need to find and fetch it in your bag when you need it. Now comes I visited Goa in all the times of the year, so I know if you're visiting Goa in June or July, like which is the off-season time actually, do carry an umbrella because there is so much of rain happening in Goa at that point of time. You must carry an umbrella. And during sun season also, like from April onwards also you can carry this because बहुत धूप होती है, so sunburn हो जाता है. Now we have if you are going to Goa, please do carry a beach wear or your swimming costumes if you have. Like I have these two which I'll be carrying. Next we have these caps. Like if you are fond of swimming during COVID, I know there must be like swimming pools you won't be allowed to go so much, but if you are going do take care of your hair because chlorine का पानी होता है, so do carry your caps also. Next we have is like the clothes that you need for Goa. You don't need any fancy clothes or anything else. What you need is a simple shirt like this. these are the things that you need. Like these are these two things you need for your Goa vacation. And don't carry something which is below your midline. इतनी shorts that you need to carry, क्योंकि सब कुछ आपका पानी में जाके गीला हो जाएगा और वो you end up washing it on daily basis, which is of no use. So do carry some t-shirts and shorts for visiting to Goa. And next for girls, like mostly these were for boys also, like they know how to like carry. Yeah, and for girls, if you are at the beach where and you're relaxing on a sunny day or something, and if you need, you can carry a shrug, so that if you're wearing something really short or something, and if you're not comfortable, you need to go out for your like for eating or something like that, do carry these shrugs so that it gives you a layer of like what do you call like going out and everything. You feel would be more comfortable depending upon how much comfortable are you in wearing those stuff. And for all the girls out there, please carry all the floral dresses that you have. I have like almost so many because I and my mom share a lot of clothes. So it's like this is my mom's, this is mine. Then I got so many stuff. This is one more I got. This is also Shein, guys. This also. And everything. Do carry all your floral things which look really pretty, because it's a beach ke paas jaoge, you must have all the like bright colors in your thing, so that it eventually looks picture mein bahut acha hai. And if you really want to accessorize also, do minimal accessorizing, because you'll eventually feel irritated क्योंकि आप vacation पे हो, you want to be free, relaxing, but indeed you need to have a good picture for your Instagram, okay? So you can carry, like if you're going for earrings, don't go for a neck piece, and you can like switch it off as per your choice and everything. Okay, these were things like what I feel are the like most important over the time like I visited Goa.